there, wonderful writers. It's Mrs. Upper. Fancy seeing you here. I am glad you're here, though, because today for Writing Workshop, we're talking about something brand new, and I think you're going to really enjoy it. Today, during our opinion writing, we're going to focus on writing a review. What is a review? Let's see. A review takes a very close, that's why I have my handy dandy binoculars, a very close look at something to give the reader information about if the writer recommends it or not. What kinds of things can we review? Well, we can write and draw reviews about books, TV shows, movies, games, foods, toys, all sorts of things. I already have so many good ideas. Now, when we give a review, we need to decide how many stars that book or movie or game should earn. And remember, it's your opinion. It might be different than someone else's. A 5-star rating means this is the best ever. You should read it or watch it or play it or eat it or try it right this very second. Don't wait another moment. A 4-star review means it's great. When you get a chance, give it a try. A 3-star review means that item is good. It's all right. 2 stars means, not terrible, not fantastic. A 1-star review means, the worst. Don't even bother. I'm going to be on the lookout now for some different things I can review. I'll see you inside and we'll get started writing together. Wonderful writers, it's time to get started on our very first opinion review. I brought my special binoculars inside to help us remember that when we review and give our opinion, we really need to take a closer look. Okay, I'm going to review a book today. And when you're doing your drawing and rating and writing, I want you to pick a book to review as well. Here is the book I'm going to choose. Oh my goodness. It's called Nugget and Fang. Friends Forever or Snack Time? This is Nugget. He's a little fish. This is Fang, and he is a big shark. And they're giving each other a little kind of a fin high five, a fin five. Oh my goodness. It's by Tammy Sawyer, and the pictures are by Michael Slack. Now, I'm not going to read the whole book to you right now. We might do that another time, but I wanted to show you, writers, how we can review a book and really take a close look at it, but not give away the ending. Ooh, that is so tricky. All right, Nugget and Fang. Oh my goodness, one of my favorite ocean animal books. So I'm gonna start with the title of the book there. I'm gonna write Nugget, and I can look at my cover to help me. Now, and is a snap word or sight word. I can write that easily. Nugget and Fang. And the big words in my title get capitals. It's kind of special. And then, I know I didn't write the book, Nugget and Fang, but I am reviewing it. So that's why I'm writing my name there. This might be my favorite part of reviewing. We get to decide how many stars we would rate our book today. Do you remember our rating scale? That's right. We have 5 stars for the best ever, 4 stars for great, 3 for good, 2 for so-so, and 1 for don't bother. Well, you know how I feel about this book, Nugget and Fang. It's a 5-star book all the way. I'm going to color in the number of stars to match my rating. I might work on my picture later. Some writers like to do that first, but I have some good ideas for my words. I'm going to get those down before I forget them. I'm going to start by engaging my reader with a question. Now, we included questions sometimes in our how-to stories, so I know you already are experts at that. Here I go. D, starting with a capital. Doing my spaces. You like, oh, so many snap words. To read funny books. Now, I did want to start with a question, so I'm going to make a question mark. Do you like to read funny books? That's a great way to start a book review. Let's see. I'm going to add next. Then you will love. Now I'm going to write the title. Well, I could. Yeah, I'm going to write the title. Nugget. Oh, I can't wait to show you my favorite picture, friends. It's so silly. And I don't have enough room there. Fame. Now I want to tell you something else too, writers, and I want you to try it today. I'm going to put an exclamation mark. Books, the titles of books get underlined. So I'm going to underline Nugget and Fame. Ooh, let's try that today when you write the title of your book. It's kind of underlined up here, but I can even do it here too. Cool. Nugget and Fame. Okay, here is one reason why I'm giving this book 5 stars. Oh my goodness gracious. So in this story, and I don't want to ruin the whole thing or the ending, but I can show you this. In this story, oh my goodness, look. Fang dresses up like a beautiful mermaid. Look at his mermaid costume. When I got to this page in the story, when I was reading it, I laughed out loud. I laughed so hard. Oh my goodness. He's really thinking he looks like a beautiful mermaid, but goodness, his super sharp shark teeth just give him away, don't they? But that picture really brought me a lot of joy. So I wanted to include that in my review. Do you like to read funny books? Then you will love Nugget and Fang. It has super silly pictures. Oh my gosh. And will make you laugh. Wow, I think I might reread this book, Nugget and Fang, when I'm done with my writing today. I just love it so much. So there's my book review for today, friends. I engaged my reader with a really cool question. Do you like to read funny books? Then you will love Nugget and Fang. It underlined my title. It has super silly pictures and will make you laugh. So I gave 2 reasons to explain my 5-star opinion, because 5 stars are the best rating. I still need to work on a beautiful and very silly picture. I might do that shark mermaid picture actually to kind of go with my writing since it's super silly. Wonderful writers, we're really excited
to hear and see all about your book reviews today. You might review a funny book. You might review a nonfiction book that really teaches something. You might review a book with lots of magic or fantasy or adventure. We cannot wait to see what you decide. All right, writers, see you soon. Bye-bye.